Hi everyone, I'm David Venable and welcome to David's Recipe Corner. And today we're going to elevate your game with a very elegant appetizer. This is smoked salmon dip. Now it's very easy. It's a dump and stir recipe. In fact, we're going to put everything in the KitchenAid stand mixer and let the stand mixer do all the heavy lifting. It's so simple and so easy and perfect for springtime. Let's get busy cooking. Now this recipe could not be easier and more elegant. What we're going to do is let the KitchenAid 3.5 quart mixer do all the work, and this is the mini. It's very small but mighty. Now what we're going to do is add in our ingredients. We're going to add in some black pepper. Then we're going to add in capers. Some fresh dill. If you only have dry dill, that's fine. And then the zest of 1 lemon. Now this could be a little sticky, so maybe a little spoon action will make this a little easier to place inside the bowl. Then we're going to add some parsley, some whole grain mustard. This may not be something you have in your fridge, and you'll probably need a little spoon to go ahead and empty that into the stand mixer. But get some whole grain mustard at the market, and it's very easy to find. We're going to add in some sour cream. Again, a spoon helps get this out of the bowl. Then we're going to add a brick of room temperature softened cream cheese, a little Worcestershire sauce for extra tang and flavor. Speaking of tang, how about some lemon juice? And then red onion. Now you may need a little spoon depending on how long this has been sitting out. I'm a firm believer in mise en place, everything in its place. So if you prep ahead of time, you maintain control at the countertop. Now we lower the stand mixer in, we lock this in place, put this on speed 2 and let it mix up, and it's going to combine all the ingredients together and give you the base of the dip. Now we're not done because we're going to add the smoked salmon, but we're going to let the KitchenAid stand mixer do the heavy lifting. It's just going to shred the smoked salmon for us, and it's going to incorporate it into the dip, kind of fold it in, and then we'll get ready for serving and we'll be ready to go off to the races. So this is all done. And I'm going to use the Tongs from the Prepology collapsible breading station. This is a 3-piece hinged breading station that you can pick up on QVC.com by searching David's Recipe Corner. We're just going to use the tongs from the breading station and pick up the piece of smoked salmon, pop it into the mixer, and notice I didn't cut it because what you're going to do is place this back down into the stand mixer and then put it on stir mode and then just let it fold into the dip. Once it has finished doing its job, we'll get ready for serving. Now it doesn't need to mix long because this KitchenAid stand mixer is going to do its job beautifully. And now we're going to get ready for serving, and it's quick and simple. If you'd like to shop the set, you can. You can buy just about anything that you see here on the set behind me. Just let your fingers do the walking. Search David's Recipe Corner on QVC.com. Now we're almost ready to serve, and I prepped my board earlier, and it's very simple to clean out your kitchen or your refrigerator on your board. I decked mine out with fresh crudité, crackers, and baguettes. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen. Now one of the bowls of dip is already prepared. I'm going to take the other out of the KitchenAid stand mixer and use the Prepology spatula to go ahead and serve this up. It's very simple, but looks so difficult. That's what's so nice about it. All right, so once we have one bowl on the board, let's put the second bowl on for serving and garnish with some dill, fresh dill. This creamy smoked salmon dip is perfect for everyone on your party list, and it'll have everyone coming back for more. If you would like to find any of the recipe items that we use to make this beautiful salmon dip, search David's Recipe Corner on QVC.com and the QVC mobile apps. Catch me next time on David's Recipe Corner only on QVC Plus and HSN Plus.